I know. Look where you're going,
Oh,
William.
Mom, go look at a fish. He's over there.
Go look where you're going.
They stuck still for a fish so they can't even kick them. Put your hand down.
Tell her whoa.
Oh, whoa. Very well. Go back. Go back.
Make her stop when you say whoa, Bill.
I don't even have to hold on when I'm swatting. Look.
Make her stop. That's good. I like how you're keeping your hand up there, though. That's very smart.
Can I tell her to whoa? Tell her to whoa right now. Stop her. Pull back really hard. Whoa.
Make her stop.
There you go now.
Make her stop.
Stop.
He doesn't want to stop.
I don't want to make him stop. Stop and get off. Show me how you get off.
Make her stop.
Get off. No.
It's Kenzie's turn. You need to stop and let her have a turn.
We can ride out in the pasture tonight, buddy. Okay,
Make her stop and show us how you get off. Oh, that's cheating.
Now bring her over here.